mga amiga and mga amigo, welcome to my channel. This is LeeAnne and I will tell you something that is very helpful in your travel when you travel here in Thailand. Okay, so in here we have the temple. This is the temple, one of the example of the temples here in Thailand, one of many temples in Thailand, and these are the 3 things that you need to do when you enter into the temple. Okay, the first one is you have to dress properly, because when you enter the temple, you cannot wear shorts, you cannot show your legs. You have to wear long pants or anything that covers your legs. Okay. And the second thing to do in the temple is when you go up to the temple, you have to take off your shoes. Okay. Third thing is be silent. Because we're not allowed to talk in here. Now we are in the 3 things, major 3 things that you should not do inside the temple is should not put your feet straight towards or pointing your feet. Your feet should not be pointing towards the altar. You have to put it back like this, right? Have to put it back like this, and do not put your feet up on the table, up on the chair, because it's a very no-no to the Thai friends. And the third one is do not, when you're sitting on a chair, do not cross your legs, because it is also a no-no. They are very polite here and they're very humble people, and when you come and visit Thailand, those are the major things that you should follow and you should not do. Okay? Those are the only major things that I told you. Those are only the basics, and I'm sure there are still more that maybe I don't know, but you know it already, so you can comment it down below and tell me about it, because I still have to learn more about this beautiful country. So now, see you for my next one.
Good day.
Shooting pa ta, shooting. Pangit. Okay, good morning and welcome to my channel. This is LeeAnne and I will tell you 3 things three things to do in the town. 3 things to not do. What's that? Do not do?
Not to do.
Okay.